PCB Designing Flow Chart. This PCB designing flow chart outlines the process of creating a printed circuit board. It begins with defining design requirements and specifications, followed by schematic capture and optional circuit simulation. After Netlist Generation and review, the design proceeds to rule checking, DRC, and Manufacturability Analysis, DFM. PCB Layout Design and Design Verification come next, with optional prototype design, fabrication, and testing. The process then moves to PCB Fabrication, Manufacturing, and Assembly, culminating in testing, verification, and validation. Optional design reviews may be conducted before delivery, marking the completion of the workflow. The PCB fabrication process begins with board or sheet cutting, followed by quality control, QC, drilling, and plating processes like PTH/panel plating. The dry film is applied, etched, and inspected through Automated Optical Inspection (AOI). Key steps include applying brown oxide, lamination, profiling, drilling, and solder masking. Further steps involve CCD targeting, etching, applying protective films, resin scrubbing, and conducting open/short tests, followed by high potential, high-pot, tests and surface finishing. After final quality control, FQC, and assurance, FQA, the boards are packaged and shipped, marking the completion of the process. Design requirements and specifications. Gather requirements from the customer, including functionality, board size, number of layers, component list, bill of materials (BOM) with part numbers, data sheets of non-standard components, specifications, drawings, environmental factors, cost, customer approval of gathered specifications. Use a schematic capture software to create a visual representation of the circuit, including components, connections, values, net labels. Simulate circuit behavior to verify functionality and performance. This step helps identify potential issues before physical layout. Extract a netlist file from the schematic. This file lists all components and their connections in a format for further use. Present the schematic and netlist for customer approval. Review schematic and netlist for accuracy. Obtain customer approval. Develop or use existing libraries containing component footprints and electrical rules. Ensure accurate representation of components for proper placement and routing. Define design rules for trace width, spacing, clearances, etc., based on manufacturing capabilities and desired performance. Run a DRC to ensure the layout adheres to these rules, e.g., trace width, spacing, clearances. Design the PCB considering manufacturing limitations and best practices. Consider factors like component placement, solder accessibility, and testability. Place components on the virtual PCB following design principles like functionality, signal integrity, thermal management/heat dissipation, manufacturability, connections between components with appropriate trace width and spacing, placement and routing review. Perform manual and automated checks to ensure the layout matches the schematic and netlist. Review component placement and routing for functionality and manufacturability. Obtain customer approval for the final PCB layout. Design a physical prototype, a simplified version of the PCB for testing and verification. This can be used to validate functionality, identify design flaws, and refine the layout. Fabricate the prototype PCB using a quick-turn method. Test the functionality of the prototype PCB. Generate manufacturing files, Gerber files, for PCB fabrication and other computer-aided manufacturing, CM, data needed by the manufacturer. Send files to a PCB manufacturer. PCB manufacturer performs the following steps. Printing. Transfer the PCB design onto a photosensitive film for each layer. Etching. Remove unwanted copper from the board based on the layout. Drilling. Create holes for component leads and vias, connections between layers. Solder components onto the designated pads on the PCB according to the BOM and assembly plan. This step requires proper soldering techniques and quality control. Perform electrical tests to ensure the assembled PCB functions as intended. Visual inspection, functional testing, troubleshooting. Based on testing and feedback, make necessary changes to the design, and repeat the process from an earlier step if needed. Deliver the finished PCB to the customer.